Hi guys, today you're going to do your first letter assignment. So again, I'm going to come over here and open up Word. In your computer, it should be up in the top part. And I'm going to go to blank document. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create the model letter. I want you to remember that instructions do not get typed. All these little DS's and QS's, they don't get typed. They're just telling you what you do. So your instructions are basically in bold. What you're typing is not. Now something that's different about this, again, we're going to use either Calibri, Times New Roman, or Arial. I'm letting you choose that part. Your name always goes in the header. This letter only is going to be a size 11, and the reason for that is it will not fit on one page otherwise. So what I want you to do is double click in the header, and if double clicking in the header doesn't work, you click on Insert and you go to Header and just pick a header, okay? And then I'm going to type my name. Now to close it, and please put first and last name. I have a lot of students with the same name. So you can either click on this orange X to close it, or you can double click in the body to close it, all right? So there you go with that. Now we're doing the model letter, so we're going to save it. We're going to say File, Save As. We're going to browse. We're going to go to our documents. And now in yours, you have a folder that says keyboarding. So you're going to open up keyboarding and you're going to save it as model letter. Okay? Now I'm going to go back because, of course, on my home computer, I don't need all these extra files. Okay, letters have a 2-inch top margin, 1-inch side and bottom. So I'm going to go to Layout, Margins. If I've done it before for my memos, it should already be here. If you've been absent and haven't seen this yet, you go down to Custom Margins and you add a 2-inch top margin. Don't change anything else. You never mess with gutter positions unless you're doing columns. So all you have to do is change that top margin and say OK. And you'll notice your cursor drops down. So the first thing I'm going to type is the 168 Dancy. There are a few places in here where it's going to tell you it's spelled wrong. If you're spelling it like it is on the paper, don't worry about it. If you were on your home computer, you would add it to your dictionary if it was something you were going to use a lot. And then current date. So I am filming this on March the 6th. So whatever the date is in the classroom, you're going to do that. You have to do the month, the day, comma, space, and the year. All right, so whatever it is in the classroom today, that's what you're going to put. All right, quadruple space means I hit the enter key 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to type Furniture Warehouse Company. All right, 1359 Mackey Lane, and it's Asheville. Now, the first address is the return address. The reason they call it the return address, that tells the person receiving the letter who to return the information to or who to contact if they have questions. The second address is called the inside address or the letter address, and that's the address of the person receiving the letter. After the return address, I'm going to double space and type Dear Sir, colon. Colon means it's a closed punctuation. I don't know if you've seen that PowerPoint yet, but you're going to learn that. Double space. Now I'm going to do my little teacher cheat. I don't want to see anything on Canvas that has equals rand. You need to type these words, okay? Equals rand, and I always forget the D. So if I separate this out, we'll pretend this is our letter, and I've typed the letter, okay? After the last paragraph, I'm going to double space and type sincerely. I'm going to quadruple space, and I'm going to type my name. I'm going to pretend that I'm the author. The reason we quadruple space here is so that the author can sign their name. That's why we have a quadruple space in 2 places on the letter, but this one is so they can sign their name. Now, if I wasn't the author, I would need to put typist initials. I want you to learn how to type typist initials, so put T, well, your initials, not mine. Remember, you've got to go back and make this a lowercase. Then you're going to double space and type the word enclosure. Enclosure means when I sent this letter, I'm enclosing something in the envelope with the letter so that people know to look for it, okay? And usually after the word enclosure, you tell them what's enclosed, a map, a brochure, or whatever. When you're done, you're going to save it. So you can just come up here and click on this little save button if you've already named it and saved it. You're going to save it, close it, upload it to Canvas as model letter, okay? This one only will be size 11 because it won't fit on one page if you do a size 12, okay? Thanks. Have a great day, guys.